Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Plus. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device and then I will move to iOS. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android and right here it's located at the bottom in the settings. Enter into accessibility and we need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Enter here and here's volume balance. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right and we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. But if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings. And then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down. And in the hearing, we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down. And right here we have audio balance. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. You can tap at the best one place for you, but right now it doesn't work for iOS 26. On iOS 26 you need to only move the slider to the left or to the right. Now, we increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the... We increase the volume for the left earbud and lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!